Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my cars collection I had when I was a little smaller. So, no sneak peeks, but it's big. So, there you go. You had a couple of sets here. I'll show you some of them. We bought all these. These are the ones I keep in the box. Mater the Greater, I have a bunch of those of the Mater the Greater set. Just a little van. And then here's a closer look at some of the Maters. Then we got this little set right here, red, white, blue set. You can see right here. Then we got this little guy, which goes in there, but for now, if you wonder why I've came on, I'm going deer hunting and fishing in a minute, so it's gonna be, I'm gonna wrap this up pretty quick, but here's most of the race cars, the ones that race. We got the 3 classics up there. And then we got the set of those. We got the Chinese set. Hey, Mom. She helped me do this. Shout out. We got the set I showed you first. Those 2. And yeah, I think that about wraps it up. Mariota. Hot trash in my opinion. Some stuff. There's my hockey ring. So yeah, I think that's gonna. Sorry for the. I'm not probably gonna do daily uploads. It's gonna be a while before I start getting really into YouTube. I'm busy right now with school and hunting. Rifle season just opened. My little hockey station. Some hockey, but I'll watch all day. But say hello to my little pets. We'll have a little crab day. We'll have a little crab day, like I was saying. In every video, I'll give y'all an update. Crabs. Give me a minute. So names, I might rename them. Live down. Oh no, sorry, you can't comment on my videos. Smalls. Come out, Smalls. So he's alive and she's moving his car a lot. Anyways, there's that one. Not very active now, but sorry they didn't come out. Come on. I have one idea. This is the solution for this video. What? No, it's not. It's only like 4 minutes. This is the trick. If your crab's not moving, take them. tip of a paper towel. If you don't know if your crab's alive, stick it right there. He bit down on it. So the sucker's alive. See what he does. Well, sorry, I don't think this is gonna work today. They're just not wanting to come out, so. There. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when I upload a video. To see these little crabs again. But I'm about to head out, go fishing with my mom and my dad. Try to get me on a buck, maybe. But anyways, I'm trying to get me on a buck this afternoon. My dad's coming with me. Lazy head. I think that's gonna end it on elk. See you guys next time. See you next time. Hit that like button, like I said. Bye.